In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these aesthetic icons, having a nice background as well as having a nice layout on the left side. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how to do the background. So I'm just going to be going into Pinterest because Pinterest has some nice backgrounds. So I'm just going to be looking for some aesthetic quote wallpapers for my iPad. So I'm just going to be saving some. Like this one, so I'm just going to be saving this one. Okay, and then I'm just going to be going into my photos. So I really like this one for my lock screen. I really like this one. I got this from Pinterest as well. I'm going to be saving this as my lock screen. Okay. And so my lock screen is done. This is my home page. Okay, so now let's move on to icons. So I'm just going to be changing my maps. I'm just going to be changing my whole screen instead of every app because I feel like that's just too much, and having the home screen is just a little simpler. So I'm just going to be changing my maps to this color with an icon. So you can go to Pinterest or either Google. So I'm just going to be going to Safari and typing in maps icon. It could be, and I'm just going to add aesthetic as well. And in images, you can pick whatever icon you want. I kind of like this, so I'm just going to be saving this to my desktop. And now I'm just going to go to Photoshop. Okay, import and open photos, and there's my photo. I'm going to be adding a new layer. It doesn't matter what color the icon is. We can change the color later on. So having my first layer, my second layer, the first layer on here. So I'm just going to be importing a picture. So I want it to be this color. I want to have the icon the same color as this. So like the same tan shade as these are. And so I'm just going to be pressing done. So now I'm just going to be selecting the first layer, having this colored tool right here on the left side, and then clicking the eyedrop button and selecting this tan so that it's tan. Now I can delete the second layer, so I'm just going to be deleting that. Now I'm just going to be taking the paint bucket tool and having it gray. And then I'm just going to be taking a black shade and highlighting the black so it's more vibrant. And basically you're done, so you just save this, click export, save image, and the photo should be saved in your camera roll. So now I'm just going to be going to shortcuts and pressing plus. On the side, type open apps, open app without no S. Choose, type in maps. Click this blue icon on the top, and for shortcut name, whatever you want your icon name to be. So I want my apps to be all lowercase and have spaces between them, so that's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be selecting all, copy, done, add home screen. New shortcut, you delete this and then type in the same thing, and then selecting this blue icon right here, choose photo. My photo is saved all the way on the bottom for some reason, so right here. And then you can scale it however however you want it. I like to have it a little bit zoomed in, but not too zoomed in. And then press use, and then done, and then done. And then you just move it over to wherever you want it. You can either have it right there, or what I'm doing is I'm just moving it to the end and just adding it to this folder. And then that's basically it. And so I'm just going to be repeating this to all of my other apps. Okay, so the first thing to do when doing the widgets are you have to download the widgets app from the App Store. So just type in 𝐋𝐄𝐓'𝐒 and then download it. Okay. So I want to add a small widget, so you just click add small widget, select this, click on it. You can do it according to however you like. I have some quotes that I got from Pinterest and Google that I have already prepared, like this one, and then I have this one. And so you just go to the Widgetsmith app. The first I'm going to be doing a small widget, so I want to add a quote, and so you just go to photo, select photo, choose photo, and I want this one, and so that's selected, save. For my second widget, I want a different quote, so again, photo, select photo, choose photo, this one right here, and then done, save. And then I want to add another one. You select this. So I want the background color to be like this yellowish mauve type shade, which they don't really have. And so you can go to custom and you can have it according to however you want it. So I'm just going to be playing around with this. So that's kind of okay. I have that done. You can also choose a border color, but I don't really want a border color. And so I want my font to be rounded, like not too in style. I want it to have like that. Yes, I would like to have it access to my calendar. And there you are. So that's, just want to add one more. Choose this. So photo, add another quote, choose photo, enjoy the little things, I really like that. And then go back, save, and there you are. And now I want to add a medium widget. I'm not going to be adding a large widget, I just feel like it's too big for me. So you just click that, click this one, and to be honest, I really like the black one. I don't want it to have a different color. I really like how the black looks itself. So I'm just going to be saving it how it is. And then I'm done with my widgets. Now it's time to add them over here. So you just select the app, edit home screen. You click this plus button right here. So you hit small widget, add widget. So you can add your widgets. Going to be adding another one, add widget. So I had 4. It doesn't matter which, if it's the same one for right now. Add another one, add another one. So small, and then this. Okay, so this medium one that I want to have it all the way on the top. Okay, and then I want my quotes to be on the bottom of this. And you can select it. So I want it to be the first one. So it's going to be changed. So the second one. And then third one. And there you are. That's how I want it, and then you can rearrange it however you want it. I want this one to go up there. And that's basically it, and yes. So I have my canvas over here, and then I have my screen time, my quotes and calendar stuff, my weather app, as well as the charging of my Apple Pencil, and then my iPad. and then I have my calendar, and that's how I want it. And yeah, that's basically how I customize my iPad for the 4th iOS update.